You know what? You do need to be jealous because we're back in the kitchen and we're going to get to eat this eventually. Mary Ann from Max Meals, and we're putting together a meal for about 20 bucks that's going to feed an army.
Yes,
or at least like 6 or 7 people anyway.
6, 7, maybe 8.
All right. So this is keto-friendly chicken, pasta, pizza bake.
You got it.
All right. Ingredients are very simple. Chicken, of course. Whatever vegetables you want, we're going to make it kind of like a pizza. So whatever you might want on your own pizza, we're going to go with peppers and onions, of course, Parmesan cheese, some sauce. And this is kind of cool. You can make this with actual pasta you make on the stove, but you can also grab these frozen bags of pasta. They're pretty much cooked. You have to microwave them.
Right.
And it makes it easier if you get home from work and you're dealing with the kids in school and you just want to get dinner done. Really easy alternative. All this together still is only about 20 bucks. And of course the recipe at abccolumbia.com. If you want to grab this chicken, now we did this chicken, Mary Ann, but there is a difference between that and what you might get at a butcher, right?
There is. So if you get it from a butcher, oftentimes it's much cleaner. There's no fat, there's no skin. What we're going to do is you take your chicken breast, going to flop it over there, and you're going to start trimming it with your chef's knife. Don't ever use a serrated knife on raw meat because you'll just tear it up.
You also don't want to use a wooden cooking board either. You want to use a glass one like that or a nice plastic one like this because the juice that's raw can get into the actual board itself.
That's right. And then you're going to take it and we're going to butterfly it. And by butterfly, I mean you're going to slice it about 3/4 of the way through so that when you open it up, it's going to be more like a butterfly, like that.
That's also a good technique if you've got a real big thick steak and you want to cook it a little quicker. You can butterfly. Sometimes you get a big piece of filet. You might ask the chef to butterfly it so it'll cook a little better if you want it medium well. So I've got the green peppers. I'm kind of just going through these. And again, this is all to your taste. So it's how you like your pizza, what you want in here, ingredients. And that's the fun thing, guys, is you can make this your own. I'm going to take this onion. And again, the easy peasy way to peel an onion is just take the ends off like that and like this. And you just cut it down the middle, and then you just pull that peel off, and it just makes it really simple to open an onion up. And this guy's, it's going to take probably the longest time is going to be in the oven, but the actual prep is super easy to do. There's only a few ingredients, something you can do with the kids. Put them to work. Tell them.
Absolutely.
Don't give them the knife, but put them to work with something else if you want. But we'll get all the onions ready to go. All right, so here's the deal. We're going to go ahead and put these in the microwave. So this comes frozen. You can get these in a frozen food aisle. And like I said, you can put them on the stove if you want to and just do regular pasta, or if you've got a specific brand of pasta you like, you can do that. In this case, we're just using veggie pasta, so it's a little better, more keto-friendly
less carbs
than regular pasta. So it's veggie pasta. But in this case, we're going to toss this in the microwave for a couple of minutes, get that ready to go, and it's going to come together really, really simple and easy for us. So put that in there. I've already preheated the oven. We're going to put that in for a minute. There we go. All right, guys, I'll tell you what, we're going to come back in part 2. We're going to put this all together and then, of course, get it into our bellies. Yeah, stay with us here on a Tasty Tuesday.